UP, Nagpur. So I request to join and you will listen how the journey for 6 months and how she cracked off 120% of salary hike. Do you want to invite guys? So please, you can listen what she software installations done. And also we talk about, yes, because of I didn't attend yesterday's class. That's why. Yeah, yes, Alina, that's true. And also please watch the recording. And also yesterday I was talk about Google Classroom and I do see some of them already enrolled. Thank you to choose this one people. Sanket offline guys. Sanket, Subhashis, Sunil, Apurv, Rohit, Divya. So these many of them are enrolled guys. So when you enrolled, I see your name here. I've enrolled. So Gauri, do your name is display here? No, I don't think so. No problem. Thanks for your guidance. I'm enrolling today. So this is all those things we have. I will show you one student and her name is Neha. And let me show her offer. Just go to work and downloads and letter of intent. This is what. And the package is we have 14.67 along with variable I watch later. No worries, Elena. You can don't worry. 14, I will invite her. She was zero in data science like you. In the 6 months, she learned, she got cracked the offers, and I will show, I'll invite her. So let's have little discussions. Today, the main three things this Sunday, I'm going to take in workshops on generative AI. The thing is just this is what we shoot here, and I'll show this. So I will show you. I'll place this video in the drive. Please watch it. Grook LLM, new techniques called Grook, and we integrate with Hugging Face. Okay. Now let me tell you, there's a few things I want you to write down. The agenda today is so today agenda of the class. The first one, let me go ahead. And the first, I will introduce, we'll start Python from basic. Okay. So software installations completed. So Mac users, are you face any issues, guys? Mac users, any issues you faced while installations? Because I have many students. Yes, Raji, yes. Sri Vasista, no. Okay, Sagar, did you connect to the mentor today? If not, I I told someone to ping me in LinkedIn, but no worries, I'll help you today, Raz. We will discuss. And okay, so Raz and who had a Mac issue? I mean, no issue for me. Okay, Sai sister, no issue. And Sagar had issue. Sai had no issues on installations. Okay, good. So I will talk to these them. Now, offline team, the Windows user, definitely no issues because Windows user, definitely no issues. The reason being, no issue like we are not able to see the Jupyter and Spider in Mac. No, you have to type Jupyter Raz. I will talk to you. I will talk to you this one. The third point, I will introduce Python, why Python is very powerful and how the grow market for next 20 years in Python, it never unstoppable. It's number one programming in the world. So the top five programming in the world at this moment, the topmost carries is Python. The second one is you have JavaScript. And the third one is Go, the second one, Golang. Okay. The Reliance Geo. Do you see when any matches going on? You see the how many views they watch the matches? 11 crore, 12 crore, 40 crores. That's streaming. We have a Hadoop concepts for that. JavaScript. So this is the three one. And so the top three is, I can say, Python, Golang, and JavaScript. So Python is topmost now. Why the Python is topmost, guys? No issue. Okay, plus, thank you. No issue. So online team. So why Python? And also next one today, I talk about if You planning to learn data science means you have to learn few libraries, guys. See, what is machine learning AI? The first concepts I want to introduce: human intelligence. What is human intelligence, guys? Human intelligence means we know when to laugh and when to cry and how to speak, isn't it? And what is word and what is sentence, isn't it? This is called human intelligence or not? But what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence means the machines are mimic human behavior. Human behavior. Understand? I mean to say how the machines are understand all those things. Will these libraries will be taught? Yes. I will show you these libraries packages. So my question, how machines understand? Do you see this, guys? When you purchase a laptop, you see the review or not? When you see thumbs up means what? It's a very good review or not? Positive review. Now machines give you a sign that these is a good reviews, guys. So based on that, I can buy. So there is a capstone projects. The name of this capstone projects called sentiment analysis using NLP. Understand, guys? So here, what is AI? Artificial intelligence. We feed human intelligence into our devices like machines, laptops, all those things, and we load some algorithms is called AI. Understand? So here, generative AI, there's a few libraries. So little I talk advanced about the library, but just don't worry. The first one, there's a few libraries like OpenAI, GPT framework, which is LangChain. So do you heard about LangChain framework, guys? Do you see this is a LangChain where the GPT has built? Using this LangChain framework, the GPT was developed. Understand? So I will tell you later part how to create a GPT like this. This is one of this. So for example, I'm searching mobile phones in Amazon. Okay, see, Sushavan, just calm down, man. Please listen the classes and then I will talk to you. Okay? You be all right? No problem. No problem. That's fine. Clear, this is LangChain documentation. So how to create quick start. So if you go to the LangChain documentations, you can refer to this. You have a lot of documents here. Let me tell you which companies use this now. You have Rakuten, BCG, Info. Have you heard about this company name before? You know only Infosys, Accenture, Wipro. That's it, isn't it, guys? So look at this. How many companies are a lot of companies are so you build these applications product just langchain guys don't speak langchain langsmith langgraph. So this is all the three powerful libraries where we build generative AI applications. Guys, are you clear? Okay, next one, the same way we have Google Gemini. So Google Gemini, so let's go here and please come back. So if you try, this is called DeepMind. DeepMind Gemini AI, just open. So Google created by DeepMind, when you see the DeepMind, so these models, so in this Sunday workshops, Gemini gives you few models like Ultra, Pro, and Flash and Nano. All right, guys. So we can build this week on Gemma model. So maybe being a newcomers, you don't understand, right, all this part. And slowly we get into this is Gemma model or not. Google has three platform. The first one, AI Studio. The second one is Vertex AI. The third one is Gemma model. Understand? So the same things, there are few powerful library called Meta, Facebook, TensorFlow, Keras, deep learning and neural network. We develop 6 months codes. What I will teach you, these libraries I will teach you. When you know these libraries, your machines behave like a artificial. So we give intelligence to the machines with the help of these libraries, guys. Understand, team, everyone? See this OpenCV dot, just go here, and how computer can understand the faces. And if you see this here, now OpenCV documentations, you can try this OpenCV here. Just do you see this OpenCV documentations here? So this is what you can create images. You can create images. So, but OpenCV is paid. No, no, it's not paid, buddy. The companies see OpenCV face recognitions. Okay, so how many companies are using this library? Intel, guys, can you please calm down? We'll talk later. So Intel, Microsoft, Qualcomm, ARM, Huawei, the RoboFlows. Let me tell you, I do understand many of the student feels I don't understand. Very simple, you say I don't understand what you're talking. But I have to speak in the demo because when you invest some amount here, you have to know all those things. If you don't learn these, hi sir, good evening, Sheikh. So if you don't learn this, no company will give you offer. And there's a few libraries called MediaPipe. Just go here. So this is all those things, MediaPipe and okay. So in MediaPipe, if I'm speaking or not, guys, see, the model is detecting this is person 97% accuracy and sync and interactive segmentations. You see this, guys. We develop a model. Who created these applications? These applications created by MediaPipe library. You are a developer. You build these applications with Python code. Getting my point? So hand landmark detections. Let's click this. Just wait for some time. Okay. Do you see my cam is on and another library called yellow. So there is a multiple libraries we have, and I hope just go here. 1 second. Okay. Do you see this, guys? So what happened? So this is I mean, hand landmark detections. That means what? The guys who cannot speak, who cannot listen, so they use hand signs or not? So these libraries would plays an important role. So similarly, we have many more practical like this. Another one is yellow. Okay, ultralytics yellow. Okay, just one moment. Just go here and then we try to work some of the practical now, guys. Do you see? Ultralytics, go to the track and how AI means, see, what is human intelligence? If I ask to the what is number plate, can we show the number plate or not? So my machines, you write a code where it will detect this is car, accuracy is 83 percentages, and this is car, multi-object tracking with Alterytics YOLO. So this type of practical we do, and everyone has to learn this library. And in the demo sessions, most of them not shows this because this is OpenCV, sklearn, and we have all those things, guys. Stable diffusion. This is a very good model, Stable Diffusion, Hugging Face, Kaggle.com, Streamlit, Deepfake, not legal in India. What is deepfake, guys? It will create a duplicate faces. So this is not applicable in India and all those things we have now, guys. Okay, next. Let's start working with Python and just go ahead with Python. And I know if anyone from beginner and expert level, so I have to start from basic. The first thing I want to introduce why Python is very powerful, and it has a future market from till, I mean, you can say 2000 till next 10 years, next 10 to 20 years, there's nobody anything what happened with Python, guys. I mean to say it's a top number one. Okay, this would be number one. So I will tell you why Python is very powerful. Just go ahead and we can heading toward this. The first one is Many people has a questions. What is Python? Can I start my career with Python programming as first programming skills, guys? If you never learn any Python, can I start my career with first programming? So Python has integrate with web development. Do you see web development? And Python, we can integrate with MLAI. We can integrate with web scraping. We can integrate with game development, audio, video, and career opportunities. So by learning this Python, so what exactly happened? Guys, wait, what is web scraping? Venu, just listen, web scraping means websites. The data comes from websites or not? So websites, you write a Python code to clean the data is called scrap. From the web is called web scrap. First listen, don't, okay, Venu. So data scientist, see, once you learn this Python, you have opportunities of all those things. You have opportunities of all those things. 1 second. Just give me some time, guys. One moment. And I think, oh, let me post the link. Okay. So if you see this, who can eligible for this? Software engineer, system engineer, DevOps engineer, everywhere Python is integrate. Do you see? Everywhere you can integrate with Python, guys. Understand Python code, you can integrate. Now, for example, salt you have, guys. Everywhere we can apply salt or not. It's like that. So every platform's Python is required. Okay. So the next one, is Python hard to learn for beginners? No, man. And but so these things, how do I start learning Python? Just yesterday, that's why the classes are conducted. So that's why you follow the classes to do it. So all those things you can implement Python for web scraping, image process, web framework, Flask, scientific computing, all those things we can apply, guys. All right. So they have many things. I will share this document. Can you please refer to this document? As everyone know, business applications, Python career opportunities, web developer, backend developer, data scientist, machine learning engineer, software engineer, and DevOps engineer, mobile developer, and research engineer. Everywhere the Python is required, guys. Everywhere the Python is required. Okay. Now, first fundamental today I want to introduce is Python identifier. Just let me open the syllabus. Just go ahead and open the syllabus here. So do you open the syllabus, guys? The first concepts I will explain every day. Okay. So you go home and practice and tick it. So let's go for first introductions, data science. We completed this, guys. And discussions of course. Can you share this document link? Lakshmi, how I will share. Just let me complete and then I'll share. Okay, Lakshmi. Just go here. And then come on. So here, discussions course curriculum, introductions to program. This part we covered. This part we covered. Okay. Now, next step is what about this? This one also we covered, guys. Google Colab, Jupyter Notebook, everything's we completed. Now, what is the next step? The next step is data types, type conversions. We go ahead and understand one by one of all the topics, guys. I will explain. I will go to the syllabus. I'll tick it. So you can follow these documents in step by. So the first concepts which I will teach you is Python identifier. Okay, Python identifier. So identifier also called as variable. And let me write down the learners who already completed Python, who, who already completed Python or mid-level. Programming never gives you bore. Let me tell you, the code never gives you boring. Understand? So code is very powerful, very powerful. Understand? So let me follow this. Identifier also called variable. Identifier also called variable. That means we have a multiple names or not. In school, we have one name. In home, our parents are called as Pintu, Chintu. We have all those things, guys. I mean, both are referred to same name. I mean to say, identifier also called as variable. Are you clear? Now the syntax. What is the syntax? How to define the identifier? The first one is variable name or identifier name equals to 5 of value. Equals to value. Are you get the syntax, guys? Just get back to the code now. Just get back. Hello, sir. Neha. Okay. Guys, just one moment. Thank you, Neha, for joining. Okay, so let me Neha unmute you. And is it possible to on your video? If okay, then that's fine. Can you hear me, Neha?
Yeah, am I audible?
Yeah, just 1 second. I will, if you don't mind, I'll show your offers to them. Okay, Neha. Okay, so guys, I have my student, Neha. She was from previous 7:30 p.m. batch. And thank you for your time. So this is what she got placed in the company, not one offer. So she had 3 to 4 offers. And I request her time to just speak with you. How was journey? Neha, just unmute you. So is it possible to on or you can speak like that?
Uh, can we go with the audio?
Yep, please go ahead.
Yeah,
So
sure.
Neha, this is a new 7:30 p.m. batch and your batch was completed. Almost 5 to 6 people got placed. So how, so what about CTS Accenture? You finalized anyone?
Yeah, as of now, I'm finalizing on Accenture only.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So now can you please, uh, so just one moment. Okay. All right. So what I'm trying to say, so can you explain how was journey, what I taught, and how was your experience? Just you can guide them, being a fresher, what they do, what are the interview questions you encounter with them. So can you little for walk through for 5 minutes with them so that I'll continue my next continue that. Okay,
Yeah, yeah,
please
yeah.
go ahead.
Sure, sir. So, hello everyone. I hope everyone is good, doing good, and studying. So, my name is Neha, and I would like to thank Cody sir for inviting me and giving me this opportunity. I'm very honored to speak with you all. So I just wanted to tell you about like what I have done in the past and what how I get into this data science journey. So I want to begin with by sharing a little bit about journey into data science. So first I started into IT. Like I have completed my graduation in Bachelor of Computer Application, and then I started with some of the after completing my BCA, I started my career with some of the multinational companies, and I did some of the networking projects in that. So I was not into development from the starting when I was fresher.
Hmm.
So there were some networking projects, and I was also curious to know about different. I wanted to explore different potentials of making like different career paths, which is more suited to me.
Hmm.
I After that I switched to into some another MNC, which in which I tried on my hands on .NET development, PLSQL, Java. I tried to gain knowledge and also considered DevOps as a career, but I was not very much interested, and I was a little bit confused also before like 6 months ago before deciding on the data science.
So where to join, to whom I'll go for classes like this, isn't it?
Yes, I was very much confused. I pinged on to the sir on LinkedIn before joining the classes. So what should I do? I am confused and all, whatever all the questions, like when we don't know what to do forward.
Hmm.
And I thought always like data science is very tough. That
Hmm.
is not my cup of tea. I won't be able to do that. I already thought. But
Hmm.
when I saw those demos, correct, there are free demos for 1 week for data science. So that lectures was very eye opening to me. I realized that This is really a worth joining course. All the things that sir was teaching and telling, uh, I was understanding everything with whatever sir was telling and teaching. So, and I did some practice in the first week of demo, and then I realized that not only understanding but practicing it makes everything very crystal clear.
So how much time you practice every day?
So, as I was a working professional, so I used to manage both. So, I need to work in my projects also, which I'm working.
Mm.
So, it was like 10 to 6 to sometimes 7. I used to be in like office or working from home. And
So
all
being
the
a
time,
fresher, Neha, so how much they
hmm,
need to spend? The guy who doesn't know anything.
if
Don't you?
they have time, I think all day they should be doing like that, like taking some
Exactly.
breaks. But yeah, it is very interesting. It won't be like boring or frustrating. It is like, it will be very fun.
True, true.
So if I was a fresher, I don't have any responsibilities and all those things. So we can practice like all day, whatever time we get, we can invest and make deep
What was
knowledge.
package before, Neha, and now what is package now? So how much hike has done to you?
Yeah, previously the fixed component was around 8.5 to 9.
Hmm.
Now the fixed is around 14 to 15, so it is literally 90 to 100% hike.
So how much offer you have now?
I have three offers.
One from this guy, I think Orchid Farmer, and one for two of them. Okay.
Yeah,
Accenture and CTS. Good.
and even after I am having 90 days of notice period.
Okay. You have 3 months notice. You put down the
Yeah,
paper today.
I will put the
Okay.
papers today only.
Good. And so how was the 6 months journey? And
Mhm.
please, you can explain that.
Yeah, correct. So, as I told, when I started this lecture and demo, so I thought I will do PLSQL development. I joined that course also. I paid the fees, but when I saw these demos, I
Hmm.
also enrolled for this also. And I what I did is I just followed Cody sir. I did all the projects, all the tasks that was given. I made detailed handwritten notes by myself.
Can you share that after the class? I will
Yes,
show to them.
sure, sure, sure.
No, please go ahead.
So detailed notes I have made. I took the recordings because I won't be available. I already told to sir that I won't be available live because my office timings, and I took the recordings. It helped me really well. So I take one recording. I used to study it for 3 to 4 hours deeply, and I make
Okay.
the notes.
Good.
So by recordings, it helped me very much. I used to ask a lot of doubts whenever I get time to mentors, make use of mentors, because we don't get this facility
Offline
everywhere.
team, are you listen? Okay. Do you have any question to ask? So, Neha, being a non-technical, they're very much scared. They're saying, I'm a non-technical. Can I do that? They have a lot of questions. Can I do this practical? So even though they, even though if I explain, they don't listen. They need someone who got placed. They have to talk like you.
Yeah,
So in tell me, when the batch you're going on, I bring many place student or not?
correct. Yes, yes. I also got motivated from them only. I
True.
was having the same questions, but as I just trusted on you blindly and I did everything what you said, and I tried to solve the doubts by myself, not by
True.
depending on others. So it is very helpful. And I used to complete the practicals within that day so that I be in flow and it is interesting.
Fantastic. So, do you want to pass any messages to the non-technical guys? One point. Second, mid experience and expertise.
So
So first one,
non-technical,
freshers. Yep.
yes, freshers. So even if I have some experience in IT industry, I had around 4 to 5 years of experience, but still I was like a non-technical only because
Yes.
I tried some PLSQL development, .NET, C Sharp. I was not able to do that. I thought it is very, very hard.
So
So
you also zero in the data science before, right?
zero, zero. Literally, I never thought only to do data science.
Hmm.
And like this
So,
or also, but what I did, it's not like I decided and I get that. I
yep.
did so many things like for past 6 months I dedicated myself entirely to the preparation. I cut out all the distraction like social media, social gathering. I also tried meditation.
Hmm.
I tried to take the sleep. I even took the separate room for study on the rent so that I don't get.
Fantastic.
So all these things I did. uh, that's
So,
my.
Very good. Excellent. So so any more questions, guys? Anyone, do you want to pass to this messages to the students so that I can continue my session now, Neha?
Sure,
Thank
sure.
you for your time. Yeah, please
Sure.
go
I
ahead.
just wanted to just highlight some key points
Points.
highlighting.
Please, please.
So I just wanted to tell like keep different folders and make a GitHub repository and paste in your resume. I also did the same. I
Mm,
applied the Naukris in the Naukri platform.
mm,
I get so many opportunities and the market is very up now. I am just
mm,
telling by my personal experience.
mm,
And about the interview experience, it is like they asked me regarding my projects. I told them that I have done text summarization project and machine learning project in
mm.
my current company, which I have not done. But from this course, I just managed to like tell them that I have did in my current company. And mainly they are asking about Python, ML, AI, NLP, and Gen AI. Okay,
Mm.
and one more thing, yeah, just focus on the communication skills. That is very important. These are the some of the tips I wanted to give.
And one guy asked biology, everybody. So Ajit, biological background, AI is integrated to biology as well. So don't worry about that. Just uh as Neha told, just trust on me, trust my class. Neha, agree with my points or
Yeah,
not?
yeah, definitely
And
I did
just
that
please
only.
work on practicals. Okay. So thank you so much for your time and
Thank you so much
appreciate.
for
So
inviting
guys,
me.
just give a big round of applause for her. Thank you for her time and
Thank you
thank you,
so much.
Neha.
All the best to
Okay,
everyone.
good. Jayant asking, does DSA required? Can you answer? No, I'm
No,
saying no,
no,
not
no.
required. Because these packages, see, today I was talk about these libraries and for you, Stable Diffusion, Hugging Face, Streamlit, Deepfake, GANs, MediaPipe, we done many practical Ultralytics, OpenCV, all those things, guys. Yes, Neha.
Yes, yes, same
How many
question
of
they
them
are asking.
placed on your batch?
From my batch, it is around like it's only 1.5 months, so they are already six people or seven people are placed.
Got 7:30 p.m. Six students are got placed. They're freshers, their experience, and they like this. Okay, so one guy asked, "See, man, guys, you don't trust me. Then you trust only her." Okay, no, don't worry, guys. I made you. I made all these hired people. So don't worry. Let her. She's. I think office is done. She's moved to home, and then so can we get resume sample format? I will share you approve all those things. Thank you, Neha, for your time and have a good day and bye.
Yeah, and all the best to everyone. Thank you so much for this.
Thank you so much. Bye. Bye. Remove. Okay. So, guys, every month, every week, I will invite these people. If any student plays in Hyderabad, I'll invite him to meet you. So he give you all the job preferences. Is it helpful or not helpful? It's not that you come or don't come, it's all depends on you, but all those things is like that. Okay, let's go ahead. So what is the first syntax of identify? Let's go to the code now. And just one moment, go here and try this. What is the first topic? Identifier, right, guys? So identifier, what is the syntax? Variable name and value. So what is the variable name? Let's say a equal to 5. Can you please tell me which is identifier and which is value? A is identifier and 5 is value. So here I'll go to my code and just let's go ahead. And team, you can watch the recording as well. So did you check your versions, everyone? The first, whenever you write any code, make a proper documentations, guys. Python identifier. Okay, just go here. This is the first concepts we cover. What is the syntax? Variable name? A equal to 5. And let's call capital A. Is it valid or invalid? So online team and offline team, the one who already completed, that's fine, Python, but just stay around with me for some days. It's a valid or invalid? Some of them A is invalid. You know why it is invalid? Let's go and bug. What is the error, guys? Name error. See, what is the error type? The first error we got, name error. What is meant by name error? See, we assign the value with small letter, but I'm calling with capital letter. So it is definitely a bug. Error means, so I'm going to remove it and let's keep a small a, then 5. So what is the first rule I can say? Now I can mention some rules to define Python identifier. So the first rule, it is a case sensitive. It is a, isn't it? It is a case sensitive. For example, I say NIT is equals to 27 and let's call NIT. Is it valid or not? Why, guys? Because identifier is NIT, the value is 27. But if I change to capital N, it is a valid or invalid? Invalid. Why, guys? Again, name error. Offline team understand? So I know because these are the basic, the one who done, don't worry. Just let's focus on it now. Case sensitive. This is called case sensitive. So I'll go here and write the first rule is rule number 1. It is case sensitive. Now, why I'm talking about this one? In future classes, we build many machine learning models. Just go here and see some of the OpenCV color detections, and we done some of the red color masking. If you see this, guys, do you see this is very identified or not? This is also identified. So why we learn these concepts? Because in future, whenever you're going to do any project, this concept has implement there. Online team clear? So everywhere the identifier is required and you have to know some rules. The first rule is case sensitive. Can we go to the second rule? The second rule is next one, 3 NIT equal to 89. 3 NIT equal to 89. But before that, see, let's add here NIT equal to 27 or not? Yes. Now, if I write 27 equal to NIT, it is valid or invalid? Valid or invalid? Why it is invalid? Because syntax is wrong. So first we have valid or invalid online team. So this is, just go ahead and check. It is invalid syntax error. What is next error? See how the errors are changed. See that being a developer, you have to know the error type. If you know the problem, then only you fix the error or not. So the first, how many error type we discuss? The first one is name error. The first one is name error. And the second one is syntax error. So that means let's go here. And the first one, pre-NIT, pre-NIT. So this is invalid again. This is, you can work along with me, guys. You can work along with me. So this this is second week. So tomorrow there is a no class. Next class is on Monday. I will give you some assignment today. I'll give you some assignment today. Try. If you don't understand, don't worry. I will give you one assignment. You can work and complete. You feel so comfortable. Every day, I'll give you more assignments. Without do assignments, see, nobody will give you job without don't work. Colleges, nobody teach you all these things. Being a 17-year experienced guy, I know many people offers. I know this, guys. Understand? So here, 3 NIT 89. So what is second rule? What is second rule? The second rule saying identifier never start with digit. Am I correct or not, guys? Identifier never start with digit, because if I say 3 NIT 89, but now what I'm going to do, let me copy and just mention here. I'll change it. Let's keep it back again. And then NIT3, just call. Perfect. Got the concepts? So when you assign the identifier beginning of any variable, so you got bug. So how many rules? Always remember these rules, guys. The first alphabetic in data science is identifier. In school days, kids learn A for apple, Okay. The same things is like Python identifier. So if you know these concepts in upcoming classes, lifetime, you know what is identifier. You never forgot these concepts. Same coding equal in India, US, America, everywhere coding is same. Next one. Are you clear up to this second point? Next. Third point. Let's say NIT at the rate equal to 8. NIT at the rate equals to online team. If you have laptop, just open your platform, you can work. Offline team, if you want to do, you can do. Understand, guys? So, but focus and then you can do. It's up to you. Now, NIT at the rate, what is output now, guys? 8. Yes. Just go ahead and check. We got error. What is error? Syntax error. Syntactical error. So, syntax error, also called syntactical error. Understand, guys? This error we called as compile time error. What error we call, guys? Compile time. What is compile time? While I write, a user entered this at the rate or not? I'm a user. So if I'll just go here and I'll type equal. It is error or not? Just go and check syntactical error because user, the error done from user side. You are a user. The error made from my side is called compile time. Error are three types, guys. The first one, error are three type of errors. The first type, try to understand the error. See, whenever you everyone has a vehicle, the vehicle got damaged. If you don't know where exactly the issue, can you fix it? No. If you don't know the error, can you fix your bug? No. Understand? So how many types of error? Three types of error. The first one is compile time error. What is the error? Compile time error. Next one, logical error. Next one, runtime error. All those things I will explain in later, but compile time error is always we get syntax error. That means the error made by user or developer. The error made by user and this one. So just don't try, just follow me. Online team, you need to do two activities, listen and type. Every fingers are connected to brain. Understand, guys? 10 times reading is equals to one's writing. Do you know these statements? When you connect, these fingers are connected to the brain. So there's a few things, please understand. So when you type, okay, the signal pass, we have a concept called deep learning neural network. We have a concept called deep learning neural network. So when you type, the signal pass and brain is activate. The brain is, so are you clear? So now here you can type. So let's go ahead and check NIT 8. It is a invalid or not? Now you can try NIT underscore NIT cap equals to 8. Now execute error. So team, any questions we'll talk at the end. And I know the one who already know, I said this is easy topic because as in this batch, there are 95% are non-technical and 3% are mid-level of Python. So my job is to start from the scratch level. Are you clear, guys? So if you know, that's good. If you know, just allow me some more days. Everyone is equal pace. Understand? So I make everyone as equal. So I have respect your time. So respect your dedications, guys. I made most of people has career transitions. It's your life now. Okay. So let's follow this. Now, what is third rule? The third rule says special character. These are special character or not? Special character is allowed or not allowed? Allowed or not allowed, online team? Not allowed. Okay. In different height identifier. The special character is not allowed. Anyone not understanding, I want you to go my previous classes and watch all the program we'll do together. I want to bring your laptop. So this is a demo. In demo, lot of things I mean, in depth, I'll go once you get back to the classes and enrolled. I promise you, this session would be mind blowing. I have a lot of expertise on it in teaching, in career transitions, and more things. Just trust my words. Come back and study with me. Just make a bam. Okay, guys, let's go ahead. Special characters allowed or not allowed? Not allowed. Are you guys understand up to this? Okay, next one. Okay, I'll say NIT, special character is not word, and A equal to true. Age equals to true. When I say A, true is not accepted, guys. See here, these are the values or not. Now the values are number. Now I entered a text. So let's say A equal to, I can call ABC. Just go A. Name error because these are strings, guys. All right. So here, these are strings. So string, I'll tell you what is strings one by one. So if I mention two single quotes, just go here. And if I mention two single quotes, just mention this work, isn't it? But now, so team, are you understand guys up to this? Okay. So keywords, what is keywords? Reserve words. Every programming had some reserve word, guys. So I will mention here, every program has reserve words. What is meant by reserve? That has special meaning. You know, guys, do you remember in school days when we go by bus, car, we give a hanky, that seat is mine. We go to the restaurant and we keep our reserved, the table is reserved for someone. So these way we have some reserve words as well. So the first one is import keyword. Okay. So reserve words also called as keyword, guys. So here, and keyword dot tab KW list and execute. These are some reserve words. Just copy everything. Just go here and I will mention over here. If you learn entire word, your Python is complete. Understand? Every programming language, C, C++, Java, everything has a reserve word, guys, or keywords. So if you learn all these keywords, then your Python is complete. Guys, are you understand or you feel sleepy? No, right? Okay. So I will take today more session because tomorrow there is a holiday, Saturday this week. Next Saturday, I'll schedule a mock interview. Next Saturday, I'll schedule a mock interview. No need to be scary. It's not a school, it's not a college. The test has conducted to test your knowledge with you. No marking, nothing else. Just to know how you learn from it. Shall we do it or don't want? Online team and offline team. Shall we do it or don't want, guys? Excited for interview. Very good. I want. So everyone has to write a test. Okay. And this would be very good. So when you do this test, but if you see this keyword, do you see false, none, true, except three? Everything is a small letter or not? Do you notice this, guys? Offline team, if you bring, so yeah, mock interview, I'll give a test paper and I will upload in the classroom. You will take up a test and we will understand the test. So every time, every classes, you have to bring your laptop. When I speak, when you type also, lot of things you learned. Understand, guys? So keyword dot. So here false, none, true, isn't it? Let's try A equal to false. Now let's go to false. It is a false or not? Why? Let me tell you, in Python, whenever you define true, false, none, first letter is capital letter. Clear this logic? True, false, none, the first letter is. For example, what happens, sir, if you don't apply False, error. What is error? False is not defined because we go against the rule. We go against the rule. You know what rule says, guys? We need to drive our vehicles in left side. What happen if I drive on right side? In next day, there is no person to drive. Isn't it? Many things happen. So here, so these are the thing. Triple none start with. Yeah. True, false, none start with capital letter. Very good. Let's go to the documentations here. Just go to the documentations. True, false, none. Okay. Always start with capital letter. Remember this, guys. Minimize it. So here, just try this. Now I want to say true plus true. What is output? True plus true. So here, true. Just go and check. The answer is 2. The answer is 2. That means system understand true means 1. How? Type int of true. I'm converting integer. Just go ahead and check 1 or not. Now, int false. Can you tell me what is output, everyone? Can you tell me what is output? 0. Now, can you respond true plus false? What is output? Hey, just answer me. Man, 1. How do you say false? True means 1, false means 0. So 1 plus 0 is pretty clear or not? True plus true minus true, open bracket, and then into true. Can you tell me what is response? Can you tell me what is response for this? Do you know the BODMAS rule? What is bracket first? Just go here and 1. Guys, concepts clear? So this is called identifier. We have many more concepts. Now let's see int of, okay, so true by true. What is output? True by true is 1.0. It is a float division. When you say true divided by true, what is output? 1. This is a interdivision, guys. Are we clear, everyone? So first, slowly we understood. Then we go to data type, data structures, heap, queue, string. But you have to be little work hard. Okay, spend more time every day. So guys, I hope you understood this one. So how many keywords we have? So how do I know? Let's copy, and if I apply length function, just go ahead and enter 35 keywords. I think if your laptop, okay, I know online team, some of them already expert on it. So that's why the one I have to teach like this or not? No, you sir, I'm experienced. If you're experienced, you go back my 5:30 p.m. batch, we'll go AI over there. Okay. Now all the learning would be more exposure over there. All right, guys. So teach like this only. Okay, good. Now, so how many concepts? Next one. Okay. Here, keywords. Now let's say true equal to 7. It is valid or invalid? True is a keyword. True is a keyword. Now I'm saying variable invalid. So why it is invalid? Keyword never be identifier. Just go and check. Execute. Syntax error. True equal to 7. Just true. Output. See, what is the keyword here? If def functions, let's copy and try def equal to 78. Valid or invalid? Everyone answer me, please. Valid or invalid, offline team? Who said valid? No? Okay. So everyone said invalid. It is invalid because def is a keyword, reserved word. Reserved word means that has defined for a functions. That define as a functions. See, Python is very interesting. It depends on the faculty, how you understand. I'll give more examples where you never feel like it's a hard. Do you feel it's like a hard? No. You never feel every loop. So you bring your laptop, you do with me. You said, sir, thank you because I learned a lot. That's what people get placed. I'm teach you systematic way. One by one, we'll go for it. Invalid. If I say df equal to 78, valid or invalid? Do you see the colors are changed or not? Do you see? Now don't, okay, that's what I'm not saying. These are some indications here. Now 78. So I hope you got my point. So these 35 keywords can never be, these 35 keywords can never be identifier or variable. So here I go ahead. The fourth one is what next? Keywords. Okay. Never keywords are not allowed as identifier, are not allowed. We cannot define as an identifier. Keywords are not defined as an. So how many rules, guys? Are you clear? What are the first rule? So tomorrow, whenever you write any project, look at this. These are projects we build. Whenever you build, have you see any keywords, any variables like only underscore alert? I come back to that. You haven't. If you fall these buckets, you get error, guys. Very much clear up to this. How many of them understand online team? Yeah, is it right? Yeah, definitely. That's fine, guys. You can assign anything. You can assign anything, guys. You shouldn't be a keyword. How many of them understand non-technical, guys? Raise your hands. Anyone non-technical here? You guys understand in detail what required? Just go home and practice. That's what required. Every day, if you are a fresher, practice 6 to 7 hours. Practice 6 to 7 hours. What happens are not practice? Come on, guys. If you don't practice, then nobody will give us jobs, isn't it? Just go here. Okay, let's go back. Sometimes that call execution's not happening. See, Srimisra, try to, rather than you practice, then ask your questions. Please mention not in front of a define. Okay, not equal to 56. You have a system you can practice rather than you ask me a question. You have a concept. I teach you, sit and type, check the bug and write it down. So while you're doing this, any error you face, okay, 35 keywords. 35 keywords are identifiers. No, man. Keywords are different. Identifiers are different. Just now I mentioned, I'm saying identifiers. Okay, keywords are not defined as an identifier. If you see this, keywords are not defined as an identifier. Next one, the fifth point, only underscore is allowed. What is the sixth point, guys? Only? It's correct now. Thank you. Only underscore is allowed. So what is meant by underscore? Just little scroll down, little scroll down. I will share this document. You can practice. NIT, just go here. NIT underscore equal to 89. NIT underscore, it is a valid or not? So that's why let's go to the project now. Do you see low red color? I want to detect, you want to detect a red color. You want to detect a blue color. RGB, red, green, blue. So if you have this, so only red colors are, I mean, underscore is accepted. Except underscore, not any things are accepted. So guys, I hope you understood everyone. Now let's see, NIT star equals to 90. Is it valid? NIT star, is it valid, guys? Yes or no? No. But underscore is valid or not? Yes. So only underscore. So the last point, so I hope this fifth point is important. This fifth, okay. The last point is, okay, a user need to call the identifier with same name, with same name. Let me copy and I go here and then apply. So these are the pointers we discussed today. These are the pointers we discussed today. So let's go here and only underscore is allowed. So I mean to say, let's see, I can say A equals to 90, right? Now, if I call A, is it a valid or invalid? Valid or invalid, guys? Just go and check. Why invalid? Why it is invalid, guys? The reason being it is invalid, you have this much of length limit. Identifier has no length limit. So the next one I can say as identifier has no length limit, guys. So identifier or variable has no length limit, but you have to call with same length or not. So remember, never ever assigned identifier with long length. By the time you type, your train will go. Okay, I'm just saying. So here, let's copy and just paste here. Hey, buddy, I understand. Just go here and check. So team, are you clear? This is what Python identifier. So today first topics we covered as Python identifier is completed. My question to everyone, is it very hard? Is it very hard? Now I'll give you a small, just do things, just minimize. And I have one moment, just go to work and then NIT. Just maintain a proper folder like this every day. So there's no more demo from Monday onwards. There's no more demo from Monday onwards. So Monday, any new students come, I will take last 15 minutes for them. Okay. So we fully fledge into core development programming. Don't worry, man. It's very easy. Trust my, I'll make things easy. So no, it's not hard. I'm enjoying this. You will enjoy 6 months, guys. 5 days you listen me. The way I teach you, the same way I will teach you for 6 months. After complete the batch, you can talk me at any time for lifetime. Are you guys clear? You have my LinkedIn. I'll give my number and we can have see many of interviews as scheduled to my student. And I want everyone to apply the job in third month onwards. By the time anyone is get offer, guys, anyone will get offer. Understand? If you don't apply, nobody can say this. See, this is 6 part. Are we clear again? Just try and we try to understood. See, let's go here. And I'm saying 5 does equal to 5. These are two things. This is called assigning operators. I'll give you all the 5 equal to 5. Error or not? Cannot assign to here. Maybe you mean equal to. Do you see I got answers here itself? Comparison. So just copy and try and just equal and try. True or not? 5 equal to 5? I'm asking, does 5 equal to 5? Yes, it is. So good. I say 5 not equal, exclamatory mark 5. True or false? Definitely 5 not equal to 5 equal to 5. Now let's say 6 not equal to 5. So very simple. Understand here. I just typed a number here. I don't want to type a number. I just add a identifier or variable. So I do A equal to 5, B equal to 6. It is a valid or invalid, guys? It is a valid. Now I'm checking conditions. Does A equal to B? False. C, A equal to 5, B equal to 6. Now I'm asking, does A equal to B? False. That means 5 is not equal to 6. But here, if I say C equal to 5 and just execute, A equal to C? Online team, can you respond this? Can you respond this, true or false? So team, are you understand or not understand? Very simple, man. If this is also not understand, if you not understand this concept, then don't join. Understand, guys, what I'm saying? If you do not understand these concepts, then ignore. So very simple, what I'm trying to say here, A equal to 5, B equal to 6. A is identified, B is ident. How many identifier created? In memory, in RAM, I created two spaces, A and B. A stored 5 value, B stored 6 value. So how do I know, sir? Very simple. Just go and close it. Just add ID. ID means what? Address. Every house has address or not? When you go to the schools, colleges, we have an ID card. What is meant by ID? Identity. So in the memory, print ID of A, print ID of B. Check. So here in RAM, I created two variable A, B. A stored 5 value, B stored 6 value. Very much clear. So this 536 is address of A, 568 is address of B. Pretty clear or not? Now here what happened? When I define C equal to 5 here, did I define or not? Did I define C equal to 5, guys? Please listen to the class and focus the class. C equals to 5. When I say C equal to 5, do you think it will create a new memory? Yes or no? Do you think it will create a new memory? Yes or no? Okay, the answer is no, because this reflect to C. Python is object oriented. I'll get back to you more introductions as this is a demo. Still, I covered only one part, identifier, to show you how the technical we start. Like this way, we build identifier, OOPS concepts, functions, and decorator, generator, iterator, and then we work machine learning projects, deep learning projects, computer vision projects, all the beautiful projects we're going to work like this, guys. Understand, team? So here for now, just go here and can you answer me? True, definitely, guys, you get true because A5, C also 5 or not? But my question, if I print ID of C, can I get different ID or which ID I will get? Okay, what is ID ends with online team? Can you respond? What is the ID ends with? If I get 536 or okay, the answer is online team. So same ID, just go ahead and 536. Do you see? Now here, print. Okay, I'll give you what is use of print here. The first ID of A, and then ID of B, and then ID of C. When I execute, only one ID is appearing or not? But I want to print A and B both. I want to print everything. So that's why if I apply, let's copy print function, and then I will get all the IDs now. Print ID of B and print ID of C. Do you see? Now 536, but better. I just cut them up and then I'll move it back here and then just go here. Good. Both are clear or not? I'll write one conditions. ID of A does equal to ID of C. Yes or no? True or false? True or false? Just go ahead. True. Fantastic. Just copy and here ID of B is not equal to ID of C. True or false? True or false, guys? Very good online team. Thank you for your responses. So here, just go ahead and execute true because these two had got different one. Can I share this work to you? Can I share this notepad to you guys? ID of A is inbuilt value. Yep. Can I share this to you? This is a very static point. And today I will review what are the topics we covered. Today is this is the technical pointers which we mentioned. So if you know, I know these things, but there's no harm. The first one, we talk about review of the previous classes we covered. And then we talk about most powerful libraries for data science, Gen AI, and AI and all machine learning, NLP. Okay, we review a little bit on it. LangChain, Langsmith, YOLO, we have all those things, right, guys? And then we bring one live placed student and we discussed about her journey. Understand, guys? And then we introduce why Python is very powerful and what job anyone can apply. Anyone can apply. And then we first concept we introduce is identifier, also we called as variable. Also we called as variable. And what is the syntax of this, guys? Syntax equals to, very simple, uh, variable name equals to value. How many rules we covered? Rules to define Python identifier. Just go to my notepad and just copy everything. I'll remove this and then every day I'll maintain these notes. This is called the technical notes. Do you want like this or you don't want, guys? Do you want me to maintain or not required? Maintain? Actually, this should maintain by you. I'm helping to you, isn't it, guys? So then what next? I will share all the documents today in the drive. Go home and please work. And this drive will not active from Monday because as you know, who am I, how am I teaching? And you can see my LinkedIn, see the status and all those things. And the next one, so whoever enrolled, I appreciated. So the next step is definitely go until 5 days. It's YouTube live as well. And the next Sunday, I'm going to take workshops on group and maybe most of them not understand this, but still it's your wish. And also, please register yourself in the classwork. I'm telling you the last statements today before I go ahead and talk to you. The durations of the class, let me tell you, the duration of the class is 1 hour 30 minutes. If you have any questions, please join 15 or 25 minutes back, 20 minutes back. Okay. And the next one from Monday to Friday, the timing is 7:30 p.m. IST to 9 p.m. IST. And then again, 15 minutes, I will give time for discussions. I'll explain everything in the notes, everything in the notes. Okay. And the next one, see, another one for recording classes, the fee is 27K INR. And without recording, This one would be 21, 21K INR. Okay. Second Saturday, second and fourth Saturday, there's a no session, but first and third Saturday, and we have a classes. Any online team, you working professional, you come and meet me on these days. And every alternative week, I will schedule a interview, mock test. And we will discuss the pointers and we'll discuss the score. That's fine. Even though you got 0 mark, no worries. Even though you got 100 mark, no one give you any award here. Just trying to validate yourself. How good are you at? So very simple. Just practice, work hard, get resumes and get selected in the job. Pretty clear, guys? I hope understand. So all the see, and so make admin should response. Okay, Alina, it doesn't see. Admin will respond. See, sometimes when you call, sometimes you don't respond or not. That means might be busy. See, I know you guys are young blood, so you so much anger. Okay, just calm down. Just calm down. Life never runs in anger. Life runs in patience. Software developer required patience. If you got bug, sometimes to fix the bug we required 1 day, 2 day, but don't break your laptop. Understand? Because that's not laptop mistakes. That's see, there's a few we have there are some situations. You spent day, night, but you bugs are not fixed. That's what any projects in IT industry, it required minimum 1 year to complete. You know why? Because bugs. But nowadays we don't take this much time because of GPT, because of Gemini AI. We have all these tools in places. Okay, guys. See, very simple. I want you to do hard work and best of luck for your bright future. And let's get together from Monday onwards and show the world who you are. Very much clear? Just give me your time. I'll give you a wonderful career. But again, you don't practice, things not work out. This class same for freshers who wants to put, yes, Sandhya, everyone. See, guys, I'll tell you one student is a non-technical, doesn't know anything, just come and learn. I have many students that done some amazing work, guys. Clear, guys? So that's it for today. And any more questions, I'll talk to you. Wait 1 second. I will post all the documents here. See, um, how do you download? Just go to this file and save. I mentioned FSDS Genai 730. Save all, file, download. The file is downloading or not? Just go here. Do you see many of them? No patience. Just Control X. Just go to the desktop, work, and NIT 730, July month. What is today's date? 19th. Let's here. So there is a separate library list I created for you. Powerful framework, OpenAI. Follow these links, Meta, sklearn, PyTorch, Stats. So these things I mentioned, I will share to you as well. And I will share this document, why Python is very powerful to you. This is the documentation's notes, syllabus you already downloaded. This is today's task. And the task name is the first task I can assign to my student as the Python identifier and some, yep, all those things. This is what we complete. You cannot open this task because it is in Jupyter file. Okay. So how do you open this file? How do you open this? Could you please send me PDF? Sai Sri Sarath, I will share you. Just give me some time. Let me download all these documents. Um, demo 5 last day. Just go here and 1 second, guys. I will share this Excel sheet as well, guys. Let me 1 second. 1 second. 3. Okay. So 3 task drag and drop. I dropped. Next, it's working. Online team, hold on, we'll discuss. No problem. I know people don't have patience. Just go up. I'll share this notes as well. This is today's note, and this is Excel sheet. Just go here and let's go to Excel sheets, guys. Okay. Let me close. Before you leave, please check all those things uploaded or not. Just go here and apply this, replace. Everything is uploaded. Documents, notes, codes, syllabus copy, what else you want, offer letters, placements, everything. That's called demo. How I technical train. Just you come. If you have any friends, join along with your friends, study together, and then perform well. Clear? Let's see who will come with me to walk through the journey, and just wait for Monday. Drive link, please. Same drive link. Let's copy, and everyone, not host, everyone. Okay. Please scan this QR code. You will get all the file. Very much clear, everyone, guys. Okay. So that's it. So my Jupyter will be working fine, but Manukunda, forget about Joyce. It don't work. Navigator, leave it. So any new morning batches in recent time? Shiva, not now. Offline team, are you clear? And any questions stay, as it's little late because tomorrow no class. Tomorrow no class. Join on Monday and bring laptops. Work with me. Listen and work. Work with me. Just don't listen and don't open YouTube, Instagram, and all those things. Just this is the study time, and spend time with dedications. Things will definitely change. Trust my word. Clear, guys? Thank you so much. Happy weekends. Any questions, offline team stay? Online team stay. If you have any questions, rest of them you can leave. Rest of them you can leave. You join for the first time, buddy? Yeah. Okay. You let's wait. I will talk. Okay. Yeah. So thank you, sir. Happy weekend. Thank you. Good night. So I got one backlog. Mohit, nothing happened. Nothing happened. Nothing. Don't worry. I had also one backlog. No, it doesn't impact. Assignment. So approve the task which I shared. Please work. Next week I'll give more things. Okay, approve. Thank you, sir. Can you give an estimate tomorrow? Okay. So I will share one link. Okay. Somrat, please work. Let's see. We'll get enough time access. Yes, yes. If you go to recording, then that would be fine. So can you please give assignment? Bhupinder, I will give you. Just wait for this week. Many of them are new. So this week, please plan your setups, all those things. And the next week onwards, I'll give you more work to you. Okay, Bhupinder, next. So if you want to put an experience, you'll provide me projects. Yeah, definitely, Sandhya. If I don't give you projects, you cannot apply, right? So I have to give you projects. It would be 2 hours, Bhupinder. It would be 2 hours. You can refer the YouTube Naresh IT and you can find out. Okay, yeah, thanks. Um, yes. Okay, online team, just wait. Let me speak with offline team because it's raining outside. So they have to leave to the home. Might be it's going to be late. So I hope understand. Let me speak with them and then get back to you. Okay, just apology. So if you don't have any questions, you can leave online team. Any questions, stay. Today I will close all of your questions. Please go ahead. Yes. Guys, one moment. I off my mic. I'm speaking with them and then I get back to you. That doesn't mean that I left. Okay, thanks. ମୁଁ ପଢିଲା ବେଳକୁ କଣ ପାଇଁ କଥା ହଉଛୁ That's wrong. Laptop nine. Got 5 minutes is perfect. ସେଟା 3 ମାସ ହଉ ତାପରେ କଥା. Don't make a future. Just go and do. Plan your day. Plan your setups, and do hard work. I'll give more assignment. You can work on it. Okay. ହଁ ପରେ ଆଣିବୁ ଏବେ କାହିଁକି ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହେଲା ନା ଆଜି ହିଁ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହେଇଗଲା ରିଏଲ ନା କି ଆଜି ସେମାନେ ଯିଏ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଟେ ଲାଷ୍ଟ 10-15 ମିନିଟ୍ସ ମୁଁ ପଢେଇବି ବିକଜ ଆଇ କ୍ୟାନଟ୍ ଇଗ୍ନୋର ତୁ ଗୋଟେ ପିଲାଙ୍କୁ ପଢେଇବୁ ନୂଆ ତୁ କହିବୁନି ଠିକ ଅଛି go to office from tomorrow you can go and work no problem next week you can continue ठीक है okay. Text file open and right click open in text only Jupyter. Okay, so Jupyter file, you can go here and so you can, okay, you have Jupyter notebook, right? Let's open this now. Yeah, no, wait. You can download it. Okay, download kar do. Then go to Jupyter. Do you see upload? Upload click karo. And from Drive, you can download to your file. From the Drive, that's Drive is mine. That's not yours. From Drive, you have to download it. तो आपका सिस्टम पे आ जाएगा. तो आपके सिस्टम से एक डाउनलोड फोल्डर में सेव हो गया ये. Then you can upload and then click. Then automatically you can open like this. ठीक है, try करो. Okay. We buy the laptop. हो गया. मैं जो दिया वही बहुत अच्छा लैपटॉप था. मैं मेरा एक ऑर्डर किया था मेरा. बहुत आसे. Markdown माने तो हेडिंग करिबो. हेडिंग को एक्टिवेट करिबो. रो इट्स काइंड ऑफ नोटपैड. हाँ बड़े हो हैश स्पेस शिफ्ट एंटर गोटे समर सिद्धार्थ भाई पचार से कर दो ठीक है तुम ये अच्छी ना सिद्धार्थ हाँ तक पचार से कर दो जदि बेसी डाउट अछि मु कहि तू प्रैक्टिस कर नेक्स्ट देखि मु कहिबि सेटा परे कहि परसेंटाइल कोटा ट्रू परसेंटाइल ना ट्राई करे करछरो ठीक है ट्रू डिवीजन तो मते देखा नेक्स्ट मते देखा ठीक अछि हां हां रिसेप्ट सब बोला गोटे 1 वीक 2 वीक से माने गोटे रोल नंबर देबे ये करे तो नंबर ऐड हिचला ना ये just go and talk to the guys the one who enrolled please add your email sir I need to build good communication skill just speak with me Rohan that's it attend the class that's it yeah नागबाबू अच्छी सीटी करता पे कोल्लू परा तो कुछ से रिसिप्ट दे छे तांको देखा तांको देखे कि एनरोल करे बोली को माने को ठीक है तो 1 सेकंड आपको समझ में नहीं आया हाँ देख सकते हो आराम से छोड़ दो कोई दिक्कत नहीं अभी ये मेन क्लास है इसको फोकस कर वो तो एडवांस है जो बंदे अभी वो नए नए लाइब्रेरी ऑफिस में काम कर रहे हैं वो चीज आपको कैसे समझ में आएगा तो टाइम लगेगा ना आप पहले आपको गाड़ी ड्राइविंग ही नहीं आ रहा है आप अगर कार चलाना तो चला पाओगे देख सकते हो बट चला नहीं पाओगे आप अभी ऐसे आप गाड़ी सीख रहे हो ठीक है सो नो वरीज प्रैक्टिस करो आज का टास्क छोड़ दो पहले पढ़ कम्युनिकेशन जब इंटरव्यू दो ये कॉल सेंटर जॉब नहीं है जो आपको अच्छा कम्युनिकेशन चाहिए ये आईटी है टेक्निकल में फोकस काम करो ऑटोमेटिक हो जाएगा ठीक है ठीक है 2 seconds ମୁଁ ପଠେଇଲି ନା ରେ just 1 second online team I have few more learners then we'll talk very simple तो YouTube को जा Naresh IT, 1 second. So if you go here, check this. This is 4 days. ठीक ଅଛି ମୁଁ post तो can you scan करे सेटा जो photo पठेइलो open करे सेटा can you open it guys 1 second I'll speak with you थोड़ा wait कर लो sir I want to talk to you but I'm not getting options how can I talk Mohammed I'm just unmute you now just give me 2 minutes sir can you explain about how placement assistant will be of this course for us placement what do you placement means I will come back see you for the first thing is are you expert are you talk to someone are you explain the projects are you explain the code if you explain then you will placed because we are tie up with some companies we may refer you or you will apply your job resumes in Naukri LinkedIn and career job greens turing.com I'll give you a list of the websites then you can do this guys. Please share drive link. Swaraz, are you clear? I will speak with you guys. Just one moment. I have few of my students because it's raining outside. Let them leave. Okay. And then as you in home, did I close the drive link? Can you open the QR code? You open camera on it. Right click for it. এটা আসলে না রে বুঝি পারছো রেগুলার ক্লাস নোটস টিএক্সটি ওপেন করে সেটা ওপেন করার পরে কপি করে ইউটিউবে পেস্ট করো এগুলো না নাকি এটা ফটো ফটো করো ফটো করে guys 1 second play the lab లో ఉన్న ల్యాప్టాప్ క్రికెట్ వితౌట్ బ్యాట్ క్రికెట్ ఆడతావా లేదు కదా వితౌట్ ల్యాప్టాప్ అస్సలు కాదు ల్యాప్టాప్ ఇప్పుడు లేకపోతే తీసుకో వితౌట్ సి వాళ్ళ రేపు వచ్చిన పిల్లలకి ల్యాప్టాప్ చదువుతారు యాక్చువల్లీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఎవరు ఉంటారు ఫ్రెండ్స్కి రిక్వెస్ట్ చేయండి సెకండ్ తీసుకో నువ్వు రెఫరెన్స్ మా వాడు ఉన్నాడు హార్డ్వేర్ నేను నంబర్ ఇస్తాను యూ టాప్ ఐ థింక్ 15-20 వచ్చేస్తుంది ట్రై చేయ ల్యాబ్ లో సిస్టమ్ లేదు నువ్వు చేస్తావు అనుకో ఒక మన మెంటర్ ఉంటారు యూ లాస్ట్ కెన్ డు ఫర్ నాట్ ఎవ్రీ డే బట్ ఫర్ సమ్ డే సి ల్యాప్టాప్ ఉంటే యూ కెన్ వర్క్ ఎట్ నైట్ కూడా సో దట్స్ ద థింక్ అండ్ అప్డేట్ you joined for the first time guys just 1 second yeah I'd like to know do you have any other new batch wait guys wait can we contact classmates why Prasanna the same things again in the class ask yeah I will you connect mentor and you connect me no so classmates are biggest destroyer of your life anyway Saturday Sunday holiday ఉంటుంది. Spend entire day but every day 1 hour spends you 1 hour spends you friends so meet them which come 6:30 I You work online లో వెళ్ళండి ఆన్లైన్ లో వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత సాటర్డే Sunday you have a holiday. So first week, third week you can complete. So Monday to Friday, ఏది work వచ్చినప్పుడు we can talk. That's the best practice. And then there are 7 hours, 6 hours, 6 to 7 hours. Need to work. మీరు ఎట్లా చదవాలంటే జాబ్ కొట్టాలని చదువుకోండి హ్యాపీగా చదువుకొని మీ జాబ్ ఫిట్ చేసుకుని ఇది కాన్సెప్ట్ అప్లై జాబ్ చేస్తుంది అట్లే జాబ్ వస్తుంది See, that's the difference of working and fresher. Fresher ఎట్లా ఆలోచన చేస్తారు అంటే నాకు జాబ్ వర్క్ ప్రొఫెషనల్ ఎట్లా ఆలోచన చేస్తారు లెట్ మీ స్టడీ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ రాని ఫస్ట్ దెన్ వర్క్ ఆన్ ఇట్ ఇఫ్ యూ డోంట్ స్టడీ నోబడీ జాబ్ ఎవరు వస్తుంది చెప్పండి మీకు ఎవరు జాబ్ ఇచ్చారు హార్డ్ చేయాలి అబ్బాయి ఎవరు నేను అప్లై చేసినా కానీ నేను ఇంటర్వ్యూ చెప్పాలి రైట్ ఐ హావ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అండ్ ఎవరు సో బట్ అమ్మాయికి చాలా మంది వచ్చి అమ్మాయి చూడండి 8 lakhs నుంచి 17 lakhs కొట్టింది 3 కలిసి అమ్మాయి ఏం చెప్తే నేను ప్రాపర్ రూమ్ సెటప్ చేసేస్తాను దట్స్ వెరీ వ్యాలిడ్ పాయింట్ చాలా మందికి అర్థం కాదు అని చెప్పి నేను ప్రాపర్ రూమ్ సెటప్ చేసిన మెడిటేషన్ చేసుకుంటున్నాను ప్లానింగ్ చేసుకుంటున్నాను అమ్మాయి ఏమన్నది ఐ కెనాట్ కంప్లీట్ ద టైం బికాస్ ఐ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ టైం బట్ స్టిల్ టైం మేనేజ్మెంట్ లేకపోతే లైఫ్ వేస్ట్ అవుతుంది చాలా మంచి స్టూడెంట్ వచ్చారు చాలా హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేస్తారు కోర్స్ అయిపోయింది మీ బ్యాచ్ స్టార్ట్ అయింది 7:30 PS జాబ్స్ అమ్మాయి కంప్లీట్ అయింది 6 months తర్వాత జాబ్ అప్లై చేసింది 1 month లో 3 ఆఫర్ కొట్టింది 3 ఆఫర్ ఇందాక 1 month బ్యాచ్ రిమైనింగ్ మెంబర్స్ రాలేదు 5 ఏమవుతుందంటే అసలు 100 మెంబర్స్ చదువుతారు అందరికి ఫస్ట్ డివిజన్ రాదు కదా దాని నుంచి వస్తుంది 3-4 10 మంది ఎందుకు అంటే ఏమో మాట్లాడే స్కిల్స్ ఉంటాయి పడితే బట్ టీచింగ్ ఇచ్చేసి ఆఫర్లు ఎవరు చూడలేదు ఫ్రమ్ చాలా బాగా అనిపిస్తుంది బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ ఏం అవసరం కెరీర్ ట్రాన్సిషన్ ప్రాబ్లం రాదు ఏం ఇష్యూ ఐ విల్ టేక్ కేర్ మీకు ఇంటర్వ్యూ వచ్చినప్పుడు మీరు చెప్తారు సార్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ స్కెడ్యూల్ మీరు చెప్తారు స్ట్రక్చర్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ easy. 6 months don't miss any classes. Guys, 1 second, I'm sorry. Billing execute, I know, so can you please, Gauri, please give me 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Because one coming from far, it's raining. You guys, and just give me 2 minutes, apology, okay? Yeah, just 1 second. Just give me that we can take it. Yeah, Gauri, unmute you. Just 1 second. Person, unmute you, and whoever questions, guys, please let's talk now. Person, unmute you. Gauri, unmute. Mohammed, unmute you. Thank you. You're waiting. I'm sorry. And then, yeah, please.
No, sir, I don't have any questions. Actually, I just want to ask that can we contact any students?
I'll give you. You can talk. Okay. but
Okay, sir.
not definitely I'll give, because online team also you need. So better one day to sometimes you come to offline, just sit and mingle with friends and then go. That's what people are coming from out of the states and all those things. Okay, Prasanna.
Okay, okay, sir.
Thank you. Mohammed, unmute you. Gauri, unmute you, please. Sorry, buddy, because as people is come back and ask, but I will speak with my student. Yes, please go ahead, Mohammed, unmute you.
Yeah, yeah. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Yeah, actually, I want to know, sir. You said that you will. I can apply the job for in within the 3 months. So, how much syllabus you will complete in that 3 months, sir?
In the 3 months, even though I complete data analysis, machine learning, and NLP, it's not complete, only machine learning. Okay,
Okay. Actually, I have come to Saudi Arabia, sir, for job search. My
oh,
visa is
see,
left only for the 5 months, sir.
oh, that's good. So do one thing. I'll
Yeah.
in the meantime, we'll connect and you can apply, look at some opportunities. You can apply for data analysis. If as you'd less time, so you can apply from second month onwards. I'll give you some projects. You can work on it and you apply. That works.
Okay. No, just I want to know how much syllabus you are going to complete within the two
That's
months. You
what
are
I'm
saying
saying,
no.
right? See,
Yeah.
syllabus is not important. If I teach you
Okay.
Python, if I teach you statistics, if I teach you data
Okay.
analysis, SQL, you can apply that.
Okay. No, actually, they're asking for the main. They're asking
Wait,
the many sites. I've seen that they're asking for
which
the
one?
generative AI, sir.
Gen AI, see, you go for now. I'll have some YouTube free classes. You can listen
Okay.
and you can apply, but do you explain them? See, to build Gen AI explanations, you need to know deep learning. But do one thing. If you
Okay.
really apply, I'll give the live classes. Go to Naresh IT YouTube and you get a lot of
Okay.
videos under my name. You can watch it and you can mention those projects and apply. And in the
Okay.
class, I will talk to you if you have any question. I'll give you
Okay.
some
One
of
thing.
the student number. You can talk as
Okay.
well. Then both you can continue that way. That's where I can help you.
Okay. One thing I want to know, sir. I will
Please.
take your course, but I want to know
No, you
from that.
don't say
How
you
can
take your course. If you like it, you take your course. If you
no
don't,
no
then
no
uh,
I will like it. Actually, I want to join it.
hmm.
But the thing is the time constant, sir. Within
Go
the
for
5 months, I have
recording,
to
no, Mohammed.
complete and apply for. Okay. Can you provide me your previous batch recording, sir?
You don't understand,
I
buddy,
will pay the.
because previous batch,
Okay.
this batch, lot of challenges. There's a lot of new topics added because a lot of new technology
Okay.
been come up in the market. So I have to
Okay.
flush
No,
out
I
the
will go.
old.
I will follow this batch. I
Hmm.
will follow this batch.
So
Along
better
with that, I
talk to
want
the
to.
admin about that. Better talk to the admin. I know, because why
Okay.
you asking? Because if you follow the recording, you can one step extra so that you can finish it,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
I understand that.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes,
You
sir.
talk to the admin, and because you're special case, I can understand. And if admin asks, then we can think about it. Okay, Mohammed?
Okay. Okay. Please,
Okay.
can you share me your WhatsApp number, sir, so you can contact you at any time.
I will give you after 1 month if you don't mind. At this moment, you can connect with me in LinkedIn. Okay, Mohammed?
Okay. 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 I
Sorry,
will.
don't worry.
Okay.
I'll give it to you. I have
Okay.
another
Okay.
phone maintaining for my students itself.
Okay. Okay.
So no worries. I
Okay.
promise you. Okay,
Okay.
thank
Okay.
you.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I reset in. Okay, so Gauri, unmute you.
Hi, sir. My only question is that I have registered, I have enrolled for the course
Okay.
already. I
Mhm.
just want to, I don't see the confirmation. Like, I know tomorrow and day after tomorrow there are no classes,
Okay.
but I just need some confirmation to join the classes from Monday, because I don't think so. This same Zoom link will be working. And
Okay. Okay. Don't
yeah,
worry, the team will respond to you. If not, then ping me in my LinkedIn.
sure.
If okay, just talk to the see you, the one who registered. We have a separate form the batch will create it for you.
Mm-hmm.
So once they will post the link over there and you can follow that. Okay,
Okay.
got it. So don't worry, good question. So still you have any doubt, you can ping me in LinkedIn. Don't worry. So
Definitely. So again, when it comes to my career, I
Mhm.
just want
Mm,
um so you told me, like you told every one of them, like from third month you can start.
mm,
Since I am right now, you can say I'm jobless because
mm,
I wanted to pursue on something or change the domain, and I have plenty of time.
mm,
So if I work like how Neha suggested, like
mm.
work for an extra hours and all. My
Exactly.
question is that can I start applying it from second to
Yes.
third month?
Yes. I will tell you.
Mm-hmm,
See, different people has different mindset.
mm-hmm,
So in the discussion, she mentioned a valid points. Maybe you guys notice. She
mm-hmm,
said a proper mindset, proper
mm-hmm.
timing, proper
Yes.
room setup,
Mm,
proper meditations. So
yes.
this is real impacting factors. Many freshers not understand those things.
Okay.
Many non-technical people does not go for it because they don't sit in front of the laptop for more than 5 hours.
Okay.
So yeah, so these things we will talk. We have a more time as we
Mm-hmm,
doing.
mm-hmm,
Let's you continue that
mm-hmm.
and see. First, the thing is you try to sit 30 minutes. You loved it. Then the 30
Yes.
minutes goes to 1 hour, and again you liked it. That 1 hour goes to 2 hours, and that's the way the momentum gain on. So the momentum gives you confidence.
Definitely, sir. The main purpose and reason that I felt it is very interesting is because we are doing practical parallelly,
Hmm.
and I have never felt, I mean, in the span of my engineering as well as
Mhm.
like when I tried to
I
learn,
understand.
like
I
it's
understand. See,
always theory first, and like at some last, like
no,
practical is
I'm
given very
never.
less.
I'm only 90% practical for my session.
Yes, yeah, and that's what has piqued my interest
Hmm.
to go ahead with
That's what I'm
this.
saying. You just sit with the laptop. You can work.
Mm-hmm.
Don't just if you get error, don't ask. Try to solve. Not then ask me.
Definitely, definitely.
Okay, it will work. You see, beautiful. In 6 months, you change lot of things. I can sense it. No worries. Okay, Gauri.
Yeah,
Thank you.
definitely,
Happy
sir. Thank
weekends.
you.
Bye. Sir, I'm unable to message linked in it's asking for premium. Sagar, okay, allowed to talk. Yeah. So you can ask me now. Unmute you, Sagar.
Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm good, man. How are you?
Good. I'm doing fine, sir.
Yeah.
I just tried to contact you on LinkedIn.
Mhm.
Like day before yesterday, I sent you a request on LinkedIn with
No,
my.
maybe I did. I think I accepted.
Uh, I don't know why. It asking me
Okay,
premium.
you can do one thing. I will check it. Just 1 second, and I think I offed it. Don't worry, don't worry. I can go. You can try to ping in LinkedIn, or maybe you can Gmail me, kdatascientist@gmail.com. Then I will check. Okay, Sagar,
And sir, yesterday
absent.
I installed all this Anaconda
Very
related stuff.
good. Hmm.
And I tried to launch all those things as you said, Jupyter
Hmm.
Lab, Notebook,
Hmm.
Spider, all those things. But when I try to open this Jupyter Notebook, UI like user interface is completely different from you.
No worries. You got white. I will see when you buy a new phone. It will be white only. After that, we change the themes, right? I just change the themes. Shiva, again, no problem. I can see your questions. Any other batches coming in? Might be morning 8 a.m. Not now, but I don't know when it's updated. Okay, Shiva? Yeah. Yes, Sagar. So you
Yeah,
can work, continue with this. In next week, I'll tell you how to change the themes.
that theme is okay, but I unable to practice as you
Why?
showed me on
Do
online.
one thing. Can you connect tomorrow to the mentor, Sagar?
Yeah, sure.
I gave the three link. Do you remember that one yesterday?
Uh, I noted the number. Actually, sir,
No,
I
no,
was
no.
like
Wait.
I'm right now in Canada,
Okay.
so I
This three
my hours are
links, online mentor. Can you take down? Do you take a photo?
Okay. Let me take a photo.
I already shared in the drive, Sagar. Or do one thing. I'll share one YouTube link. Just go here where I'll tell you how to practice all those things. I'm already taken that video over there. Just go here. And did you get it? Sagar, I
Yeah,
pinged you now.
even you shared yesterday, but this link, sir, when I clicked it, it's not working.
No, you not click, you copy and register. It's a Zoom link. You have to
Okay,
register and you have to
I'm
log
talking
in.
about YouTube link.
It's not working?
No,
No, man, very simple. How do you say? Let me
there
copy.
is
No, no,
this.
wait. Let's copy and I'll go here and then Control V, then enter. It's working. See this? It's working.
Even I
Do-
unable to copy and paste this link.
No, man. See, I share you this drive, right?
Yeah,
I
yeah, yeah.
share you this drive. Open the drive. The link is there in 603 line number,
Okay, okay.
right? Very simple. Okay, Sagar.
Yeah. I can install by using. I follow that video.
Hmm.
Uh,
But just now, see, it's not working.
no. What I mean is, when
Very
I
simple,
open that
Sagar. I'll tell
Jupyter
you.
notebook,
Hmm.
I can't able to do what as you are doing.
1 second. All apps, Anaconda, Jupyter Notebook. And let me know, are you get this now? You get like this, right? Are you get
Mm,
like this? White.
yeah, something.
So do one thing. Can you log into tomorrow with this mentor? Or I will give you one person number to my mentor. Wait, and you can talk to him tomorrow. Okay?
Yeah,
Sagar,
sure.
one
Yeah,
moment. I will give you the number. And then where is just one moment. Sagar, I think his name is Nityanandam. And okay, I will mention
Nityanandam.
901929. Okay. Do you note it down? You save it?
I'm just writing it, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Zero.
It's solved now. Thanks.
Okay.
See you.
What is the best time to connect him, sir?
Yeah, tomorrow you can connect.
Anytime?
Yeah, and just message him. Then Senapathi sir referred your number. I have few doubts. Please help me.
Okay, sir. Sure. Perfect. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay, Ajit, unmute you. And Lakshmi, unmute you. So I have, yeah,
Hello.
Lakshmi, and yeah, please. Girish,
Yeah, yeah, sir.
please. Go
Yeah.
ahead. Go ahead.
Lakshmi, sir.
Yeah.
Actually, I texted you, sir, in this chat group. How it will be the for online student assignments and this mock interviews, sir?
Which one? Mock interview? The test, the time is there. I will give you the, see, once you registered, the Google Classroom created, right? Everything's I'll updated in the Google Classroom. I'll inform you early. So you don't worry about that. Okay. So that's a common process. Okay, Lakshmi. See,
Yeah,
when we
online
test,
payment, is there, sir.
on,
Google Pay,
yeah,
Phone
everyone,
Pay.
online, offline, everyone will gather in same Google Classroom.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Thank you.
one more thing.
Please.
This Phone Pay or Google Pay option is there?
Can you talk to Mr. Nagasur about that?
Yeah, I texted him on a WhatsApp, but I did not get any response now.
I will inform him about you. Okay,
Tomorrow,
maybe he's
yeah,
traveling. It's
tomorrow.
out. It's no tomorrow, no
Okay.
class, Lakshmi. It's raining in Hyderabad now. So maybe he's
No, sir.
traveling. Yeah, so that's why.
Working hour is there tomorrow, or if we pay tomorrow, maybe
Tomorrow working hours, if you come to office, it's better. You can come to the lab as well.
yeah. Actually, no, sir. I am out of
No
country
problem.
actually.
So
So
whenever you're free, you can come. Okay.
yeah, but tomorrow that in consultancy is open, right? Institute is open.
It's open. It's open. Tomorrow Institute open.
Yeah. If we pay, I can attend the classes on Monday, right?
Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can attend
Yeah.
on Monday. No problem.
Yeah. That's what. That's the option, sir. Can you
And
inform him for
or you can
option?
message him, and I will
Oh,
also inform him one more time. Don't worry. You can
yeah.
attend Monday with the same link, and they will let you know. Clear?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. If we have any doubts, you are the person for guiding or mentors
You
will.
No, mentors will be there. I will help you first. Even though
Okay.
questions comes, you try to solve. If you can't, ask to the mentor. If they can't
Okay.
solve, then I will help you. There's your multiple options.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you
Okay,
so much.
Lakshmi. Yeah, thank you so
Yeah.
much. Ajit, unmute you. Let me stop this share.
Hi, sir.
Hi, please.
Sir, like for a non-IT background, which is the first domain to begin with, sir? Because actually, whatever you are speaking with some new words,
Mhm.
kind of like it's new actually. So, like, what is the first domain to start with, sir?
What is the demand?
What is the domain, sir, to start with?
Domain. See, the best domain is banking domain because you can't decide which domain give a job. Let's say I will teach you all the domains. I mean to say, I'll give you one example. See, if you know batting, so it doesn't matter whether you play around national ground, international ground, or street ground, you will be player. Am I correct, Ajit? So
Yes,
once
sir.
you learn the skills, it doesn't matter which domain is all about. But yes, the terms will be different.
Okay, sir.
Got my point, Ajit? What I'm trying to say?
Sir, sir, actually, I didn't mean that. Sir, actually, I was asking like whether which is the domain, like for a Java or domain, or like or
Oh,
maybe a
this is
Python. Which
data
is
science domain. This is
no,
data
yes, sir.
science.
No, that I got it, sir. But I was asking like which is the first to begin with, sir? Because there is a different. Actually,
We
you have said that for
begin with
data.
Python. Begin with
Okay,
Python. That is
okay,
the
sir.
roadmap. First, begin with Python, then we go for EDA, then we go for SQL, then we go for statistics, then we go for machine learning, then we go for NLP, then we go for artificial intelligence, deep learning, neural network, generative AI, Azure cloud, ML ops, CI/CD pipeline.
Okay, sir.
These are the roadmap.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Today you joined for the first day?
Yes, sir. Today is the first day.
That's the problem. So Ajit, I'll share the 5 days recording link. Did you get it?
No,
Do you
sir. I
have?
didn't get, sir.
No, I shared you, right? Why didn't you get that? Did you?
Sir, I was joined late. No, sir. I was joined late a little bit. So
No, no, you scan the QR code. Can you open a drive? You will get it. Can
okay,
you
sir.
take a photo of this and you click this link will open and you follow the link and
Okay,
you'll
sir.
get all this file. Okay, thank you so much. And it's 9:45.
Thank you,
See
sir.
you on Monday, guys. Okay, thank you. And next discussions we'll talk later. Bye, guys. Thank you.